We just talked about the AFM NG filters and how they filter down to 1 micron, which is already unheard of in the pool industry. The APF flocculant boosts your AFM NG filter, allowing it to filter down to 0.1 micron. That's a 10x performance enhancement, and if you are unfamiliar with pool filter ratings, this is unheard of. APF also contains 5 components, including a phosphate remover, which helps prevent algae. In fact, when I educate other pool owners on the AFM NG and APF filtration booster, they usually don't believe it. I don't blame them, because I didn't believe it either until I did my research and started using this filter with APF on my own pool. After pool pros try it, they are always amazed and would never suggest any other filter to their clients. When you have a salt or chlorine pool, you're generally filtering down to somewhere between 10 and 15 microns. The problem is that a lot of bad stuff in the pool water, like cryptosporidium, is smaller than 10 microns, so the filter can't grab it. These biothreats just pass right through the filter and stay in the pool water. To compensate for this lack of filtration, the pool owner just puts massive amounts of chlorine in the pool in the hopes of killing everything. The problem with this approach is that crypto has become effectively immune to chlorine, and so chlorinating a pool with crypto in the water is effectively a futile exercise. Most pool pros are aware of this. They just don't like to say it out loud. This is why Zero Chlor Pool Systems recommend APF flocculant as an add-on to the AFM NG filter. And it is the only way currently that pool owners can achieve 0.1 micron filtration. If you would like more information on APF, or if you would like to make a purchase, please visit zerochlorpoolsystems.com. I've put a link below for you to learn more about AFM NG filters or to purchase activated glass media.